Welcome back. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to enable the roaming clock on your Samsung Galaxy A06. So the first step is to open the settings app, and in settings, you want to scroll and select the option lock screen. From here, you want to tap on roaming clock, and then to enable it, all you need to do is simply tap on the toggle like that. Once it's enabled, you can now change the region and, if applicable, the time zone as well. So start by changing the region, so select that, and then you can scroll through this list, or you can use the search feature and look for a region. Once you find your region, simply tap on it, and then you can see the region has changed. Alternatively, if you've chosen a region, say for example Brazil, and it has multiple time zones, then you'll also be prompted to specify which time zone you want to use. So you have Rio Branco and all sorts of options for you to choose from. So let me select Sao Paulo like that. So now, as you can see, I have my home time zone set to Sao Paulo. If I want to change it, I can just tap on that option and then select a different time zone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.